What's up, guys? So I tried the Insta360 1R and I actually decided that the GoPro Max is a better camera, so I'm going to be keeping the Hero Max. This is just, it's so good because you don't have to have an extra mic. You just got this little tiny GoPro and the audio is pretty good. It's decent in low light. It's great for skateboarding and stuff like that. It's really good filming down here on this little mini ramp because normal cameras like A7S2, it's sitting on here. When I do tricks, the whole thing shakes like this. But this thing, even when you're doing tricks and it's shaking, you don't actually see the shaking. It's really cool because the stability is so good in this thing. And look at, this is going from like really bright front lit conditions to really backlit conditions. The auto exposure is phenomenal on this camera. So this is just a perfect all around vlogging camera. Look at this, I'm walking upstairs. It's decently pretty stable. So yeah, I'm not going to be making any videos with any Insta360 things for a little while because the GoPro Hero Max is just so much better. It really is better because the other one, the Insta360 R, like that thing, you have to have an extra microphone plugged in, so you're gonna have some kind of, thing to hold the microphone with a cold shoe. It turns into actually like having a whole huge camera setup. Whereas this thing is just extremely easy. It's tiny, extremely portable, and it's just definitely a lot better. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.